For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Starting a business in your 20s can be one of the smartest and most rewarding decisions of your life. You have energy, time, and fewer obligations than you might later on. But building a successful business isn't easy unless you use one of the most powerful tools available today, artificial intelligence, AI. AI can help you work smarter, not harder, by automating tasks, analyzing data, finding opportunities, and improving decision-making. This guide walks you step by step through launching a business in your 20s using the help of AI. Step 1. Choose the right business idea. The first step is to pick a business idea that fits your interests, skills, and market demand. How AI helps. AI business idea generators. Tools like ChatGPT or BizPlanner AI can brainstorm profitable ideas based on your interests, experience, or market trends. Google Trends plus AI. Use AI-powered analytics to identify trending products or services in your region. Social media listening tools. AI tools like Brand24 or Sprout Social use natural language processing to scan online conversations and reveal unmet needs. Action step. Use an AI tool to generate a list of 10 business ideas. Then filter based on what excites you and what's feasible to launch with your budget and skills. Step 2. Validate your idea. Don't waste time building something nobody wants. Validate your idea with real-world feedback. How AI helps. Surveys plus AI analysis. Use Google Forms with AI tools like Monkey-Learn to analyze open-ended responses quickly. AI chatbots. Create a chatbot using tools like Tidio or Landbot to ask questions and interact with your audience on your site or social media. Competitor analysis. Tools like SEMrush or SimilarWeb use AI to track your competitors' traffic, pricing, and SEO strategies. Action step. Run a mini validation campaign using AI-powered surveys and chatbot conversations. If people show strong interest, move forward. Step 3. Create a business plan, AI-assisted. A business plan outlines your goals, target market, pricing, expenses, and how you'll make money. How AI helps. AI business plan writers. Tools like LivePlan or ChatGPT can draft professional business plans by asking a few questions. Financial forecasting AI. Use tools like Finmark or Bricks to auto-generate revenue projections and budget estimates. AI SWOT analysis. AI tools can help you conduct a strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats analysis quickly. Action step. Generate a one-page lean business plan using an AI-powered tool to outline your strategy and goals. Step 4. Choose a business structure and register. Decide if you'll be a sole proprietor, LLC, or a corporation and register with your local government. How AI helps. Legal AI tools. Sites like LegalZoom and Clerky use AI to simplify the process of setting up an LLC or corporation. AI-powered name checkers. Tools like Namelix or Loca can generate brandable business names and check domain/social media availability. Action step. Use AI to choose a business name, check for trademarks, and register your business structure online. Step 5. Build your brand and online presence. You need a website, logo, and social media presence to look credible. How AI helps. Logo design. Use Loca, Tailor Brands, or Canva's AI features to create a professional logo in minutes. Website building. Tools like Wix ADI and Durable.co use AI to generate complete websites from short description of your business. Social media content. Use tools like Copy.ai, Jasper, or ChatGPT to write captions, hashtags, and content calendars for Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Action step. Create your brand, logo, color palette. Build a website with an AI builder and set up 2 to 3 social media platforms with branded content. Step 6. Automate marketing and sales. Marketing is key to getting customers. AI tools can supercharge this process. How AI helps. Email marketing. Use MailChimp or ActiveCampaign with AI to segment users, create emails, and predict open rates. AI copywriting. Write ads, landing pages, and headlines using Jasper or ChatGPT. Chatbots for sales. Set up an AI-powered chatbot to answer questions and drive leads on your website. Ad campaign optimization. Facebook and Google Ads now use AI to optimize ad spend, test creatives, and find the best audiences. Action step. Launch a simple email campaign and one paid ad campaign using AI-powered copy and optimization. Monitor results and adjust automatically. Step 7. Use AI to manage operations and finances. Running a business involves day-to-day tasks that can quickly become overwhelming. Automate as much as possible. How AI helps. Bookkeeping. Tools like QuickBooks, Xero, or Wave use AI to categorize expenses and generate financial reports. Scheduling and meetings. Use AI assistants like Motion or Reclaim.ai to manage your calendar. Inventory and orders. E-commerce platforms like Shopify have AI tools that predict inventory needs and automate fulfillment. Action step. Set up financial tracking with QuickBooks AI. Automate scheduling with a smart calendar app and integrate Shopify AI if you're selling products. Step 8. Learn and pivot with AI analytics. Use data to see what's working, what's not, and make better decisions. How AI helps. Analytics platforms. Google Analytics for uses machine learning to predict future user behavior. Customer feedback analysis. Use AI tools to scan reviews, chats, and emails for common themes and customer pain points. AI forecasting tools. Platforms like Pecan or Accio use AI to make business forecasts based on your performance data. Action step. Review performance monthly using AI-generated dashboards. Use these insights to refine your product, pricing, or marketing. Step 9. Scale with AI and outsourcing. Once you have proof of concept, it's time to grow. How AI helps. AI hiring assistants. Tools like HireVue or ChatGPT can screen candidates or write job descriptions. Virtual AI assistants. Use AI agents like Magic or Reclaim to handle email, scheduling, and research. CRM systems. Platforms like HubSpot or Zoho use AI to improve customer follow-up and manage pipelines. Action step. Identify your biggest bottleneck. Replace or supplement it with an AI tool or virtual assistant. Step 10. Keep learning and innovating. In your 20s, you're still learning. Make education part of your business growth strategy. How AI helps. AI tutors. Use ChatGPT or Khan Academy's AI coach to master new skills, e.g., sales, coding, design. Content summarizers. Tools like SummarizeBot or TLDR can break down long business books or articles in minutes. Market research AI. Use AI to continuously scan new trends, competitors, and customer behavior. Action step. Commit to learning one new skill per month using AI tools to accelerate your knowledge and gain a competitive edge. Final thoughts. Starting a business in your 20s gives you a head start in life. With AI, you can work smarter, test ideas faster, automate boring tasks, and outpace competitors. Whether it's launching a service, e-commerce store, blog, or app, AI acts like a co-founder. Always on, always learning. Your 20s are the best time to experiment, fail fast, and succeed early, especially when you have artificial intelligence on your side. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.